guarded auction on the second floor for a group of Iago's top customers. Now, event security will keep a watchful eye on any suspicious activity, but I trust your timeless look shall fit right in. Good luck, 47.
And impossible to ignore. And with newly cut!
Yeah, thanks a lot, man.
Step right in, sir. Enjoy your evening.
Oh, huh. Wow.
You gotta hand it to him. Victor knows how to make an engine.
Huh?
Man, I wish I had that job.
Stop, you look fine.
I know I look fine, but he's like a Greek god or something, you know? I can't believe he's actually here, you know, like in the same room as us. Helmut Kruger's been my role model since college.
Well, so if he kisses your hand, will you ever wash it again?
Yeah, I saw you blush
Good to see you, sir.
Wow, speaking of, that's a little
No, baby, listen to me. I'm at that thing. The thing I was telling you about. Yes, okay. Shut up and let me talk. Shut up and let me talk. Listen. So remember. God.
Oh, come on, seriously? I'm not going to let any male beauticians up here.
Oh, hell no. Oh, you're making me blush. Okay. Hey, give me that pose you did in the George Frost video. You know, the black and white one with the ultra slow motion. Oh, yes.
Dahlia? Helmut. Not yet. I go on in a few cycles, I think. I think I'm in, but I want to be clear on a few details. Fine. I'll be up after the show. Yes, ciao. Hope you know what you're doing, Helmut.
Dahlia, Helmut here. Remind me again, where were you supposed to meet?
Second floor, Voltaire Suite, next to the auction.
Got it. You want me to drop by now, or...?
No, it's essential that you walk the runway. Do the job, then come see me right away.
Who does your. Okay.
Mr. Kruger, need a touch-up, I see. No problem, just sit back and relax. Won't take a
That
second.
is Victor Novikov, head of
Appreciate
Sanguine and ringleader of Iago. Quite the resume.
Ah, a little hasty with the stitching. Would you mind? I need to be alone.
You know, the saddest thing? I'm just... Perfect timing, Kruger. Girls, amazing.
Mr. Kruger, let me know if you need new bodyguards. Okay?
Calm.
Mr. Kruger?
Good evening, sir. Please come right through. If you need anything, please don't hesitate to ask.
We can be twins, bro.
Mr. Last bid.
Helmut.
Hello, Mr. Kruger.
Access to the auction and a private audience with Dahlia Margolis. Nicely done, 47.
Please, have a seat. So, Helmut, you accept my offer?
I'm in. What's the job?
Straight to the point. I like it. As it happens, I have the perfect assignment for you. Jessica Highmore.
Highmore Consulting.
The very same. That's why I wanted you in the show, so Jessica would notice you. Now, I want you to go to New York, seek out Jessica, and do what you do best. The girl is bright, young, beautiful. Should be right up your alley.
And yet she's not the mark.
My, you do catch on fast. No, that would be her father, CEO John Highmore. Jessica is your way in. Befriend him, get his trust. Highmore Consulting is planning a merger. I want to know with whom and at what price.
All right. Consider it done.
And that's for you. Keep it on you at all times. Last resort.
Cyanide. Good choice.
Well done, 47. Victor Novikov is next.
Huh?
A quick selfie with me and you? Nope. Okay.
Look, Dan, she's nice.
What the hell is a bare knuckle boxer?
What?
The sanguine boss, Novikov. He asked if I could make him one.
Oh, that. Yeah, shit. I forgot. It's a cocktail. His favorite, apparently. The palace owner, Mr. Laren, left us the recipe, but I think I left it down in the basement. I'm gonna copy it out and laminate it, but,
What's the status? Security set up just by the main stairs. Stay clear, son. I think there's someone ordering a gazpacho or something.
someday you may own your own restaurant.
Looking sharp today.
Nice work, 47. Time to mix up a storm.
What?
And wipe that smirk off your face. It's a man drink.
No problem.
Well, it's confirmed, sir. The FSB charges against you have all been dropped. No one is mentioning Kamarov's unfortunate death, or his alleged ties to the CIA, of course.
Good. Good. That's the end of that, then. I knew our nameless friend would come through. Very good.
No, I still don't like it. This worries me. I mean, who is this guy? What kind of man enters a heavily guarded government building, kills an FSB section chief, and sets him up as a U.S. spy without even breaking a sweat? Where'd you find this guy, anyway?
See, that's the thing. He found me. He knew the FSB were investigating my past. And he knew all about Iago, using models as Trojan horses, everything. A guy like that. Let's just say you let him do most of the talking.
Still, the whole dossier. Some price for a day's work.
Well, I'll be damned, Philip. You and Dahlia actually agree on something. Come on, back inside.
Please make sure that everyone has what they need.
Both targets are down. Great work. Now head towards an exit.
What would that one remind me?
Move on, son. Double time.
How was Moscow?
Kamarov is gone. I set him up as a Langley spy. It's quite the scandal at the FSB. His death will not be investigated. Your turn.
Very well. The secrets of the global elite. 5 years of work. Everything we've collected. This thing makes WikiLeaks look like a gossip rag. The pen beats the sword, huh?
I have found that whoever wields the sword decides who holds the pen. Smile, Victor. Your reputation is safe. Now run along. I'm sure you have pretty dresses to attend to. Victor, good luck with the show. I have a feeling it's going to be the one you'll be remembered for.